So good morning after a heavy night. The talk is about processes and decisions and how these two can be combined. Of course, let's start from business process modeling and what we try to do in business process modeling. We try to visualize the business, to improve the business, to explain how the business works, to document it, remove ambiguity. And if everything goes well, we try to use this model to automate the business, to transform, for instance, BPMN, business process modeling notation, to an execution language, to automate the business processes, which is a nice thing to do. The problem is that business process modeling is only one way to look at things. A business process model will say, we have a number of activities, a collection of related activities that will produce a specific service according to a certain goal, and then prescribe or describe an order of doing things. For instance, receiving a customer order or a loan or a claim, and then accept or reject the order, fill the order, ship the order, send the invoice, wait for payment, those things. That's typically what the business process model will do. Very often in a notation by the OMG, the Object Management Group, the notation BPMN, the Business Process Model and Notation Standard. But of course, that's the process. And a process contains a lot of decisions, knowledge, how to do these things. And that's one of the concerns we can have in business processes. And we will look at some business process concerns, then talk about decisions, then talk about the standard and how these things should go together. First, looking at business processes, you might know there are a number of symbols and notations and things we can put in a business process model. The happy path, the exceptions, the gateways, the events, the start events, all types of intermediate events and timers. We have swim lanes, we have roles, we have messages, we have data, we have notifications, triggers, we have conditions. And of course, one might wonder, isn't this too much for one specific modeling notation? What should we put in the process model to keep it still a little readable? And if we leave out some things, is it still executable? Which is very hard to combine, of course, to have it readable on one side and fully detailed and executable on the other side. Maybe we have to